Hello everybody, welcome back to another lockpicking video. Today we are going to have a look into this package and I'm very curious to find out what's inside. It came from a good friend over in Bulgaria, Dependent Quarter, and I'll link his YouTube channel in the description. He's a very talented picker, much better than I am, so if you want to see quality lockpicking, really go check out his channel. It's amazing what he can pick. Sorry for the noise. Ooh, there's my name on it. Okay. So Dependent Quarter is a black belt of the LPU, and he packed up some very nice goodies for me. Ooh, and in here is something I was waiting for. So this is Easy Bird, the challenge lock from Tinnie, and I will put this up here and we'll pick this today. Let's still have a look on the other goodies inside here. Oh boy. Ooh, nice stickers. Ah, a medal from Tinnie, BeercanBushcraft. This challenge lock here, yeah, and it's, that's amazing. Thank you very much for forwarding that. And so many stickers. Picksmith. We have to take a look. Picksmith, Lockheed, LPU, Lockpicker 69. Awesome. Woo! And stickers from Dependent Quarter. Awesome. That is really amazing. Thank you very much for sending this. So here's the book and key for Easy Bird. But let's have a look on the other goodies. Boy, what is that? Amber lace security. Okay, I have no idea what that is. The haha. So that looks like a... Oh, a hairy bow. Nice. Okay. Yeah, okay, very multi-lock. Very nice. Some keys. Another. Ooh. 30 big spots by D-Mag. Amazing. Very cool. What is that? Oh. I think that's the one by Dan Brass, is it? A dual bitted lock where you have to pick both sides simultaneously. I've seen that. That is wild. Very cool. Cursed Pendejo by Peace Weapon. Oh, very cool. It's based on an Esser though, so that will be tough. Keys. The haha, and so on. What's that? Legend number 8. I think that was also from Tinnie. I saw a key here. Then a lock from Japan. I recognize this from the keyway. I think that's a Miva one. And he said something that he will include the Miva PR. Maybe that is that with 11 levers and very difficult to pick a black belt level lock. I think black belt 3 even. Then some sort of multi-lock again. No, Mauer. Very nice. Okay. Pins on top and bottom. And a challenge lock, I guess, by the Dependent Quarter himself. Looks nasty. I wonder what these are for. Yeah, I will ask him, but it looks like dependent quarter 11, right? FMTA, maybe? Man, what is that? A medical lock in a 3D printed housing? Okay, interesting. Okay, let's close the knife before I stab myself. And now, off to the part I've been waiting for. Let's put all these aside a bit. So, depending quarter, thank you very much for sending me all these locks. I will look that I will pick them quickly and then pass them on, I guess. I mean, that's what challenge locks are made for, right? But for now, let's get the vise in and let's try to pick Easy Bird. So unwrap it and bird, stainless steel. We can directly see a nice serrated pin, key pin here. Guess it's 5 pins. So yeah, I guess let's get it into a vise. Set up the camera a bit and then try to pick it directly. Okay, let's zoom in a bit. Just like that. And focus is set. And what to tension with? Maybe this. Yeah, looks good. But not ideal clamping yet. This will also be bad. Yeah, let's try it like this. And yeah, grab one of my favorite profiles, the PN07 medium hook, and hopefully it will hold in the lock. I mean, it's not perfectly clamped. Okay, let's count the pins. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So counter rotation on 1. Let's leave it there. No, still 1 is binding. Okay, good click. Now 2 is binding. Counter rotation. Okay, good click. But we're stuck now. Okay, let's reset. That was not so good. So again, maybe I'm touching pin 1 with that. Okay, pin 2 is not up yet. So let's properly reset. Okay, let's be a bit more careful. Small click on 1, but nothing else is binding, so keep on pushing 1. Okay. Now 1 feels set. And let's continue with 5 maybe. Counter rotation. Okay, got a click. And 1 popped up again. Okay. Is 5 binding or not? Okay, good click on 2. 1 is up again. Okay, very deep false set now. On pin 3, which is binding now. Good click on 3. But we lost the false set. Let's take a steeper hook. Okay. Not so good what I'm doing here. And I'm right in the middle of a picking slump, I must say. So I just released some tension and we got a very deep false set. So let's see. Maybe pin 4 now. Just because I haven't touched it yet. Yeah, I was very afraid of opening that package because I cannot pick anything right now. I'm really bad. I grabbed the easiest lock and I cannot pick it. That just happens. But still, then I open this package and I'm in for it. So I was very scared of opening the package beforehand, because I just really can't get anything open right now. I lost the feel for a moment. But yeah, I was too excited to get it open, to open the package and see what's inside actually, because it was a surprise. And I really wanted to see the challenge lock. And check out this deep false set. That is really nice to see. Now what, I will grab another tensioner maybe. Maybe that helps. So I'm working on pin 5. Even though this false set is so deep, I get counter rotation. Finally, I can still open the lock. Changing tensioner really helped. Okay. So, yeah. Thanks Beercan for creating this nice challenge lock. I think we should get the key out now and have a look at the bitting. Here's the book. Damn it, there were rules. Oh no, I hope I was playing to the rules. I will give you a summary on the screen because I'm too late anyhow. Oh, but there are amazing people having picked that already. Check that out. Ah, I'm already here, number 8. So I have to send it to Picksmith. Nice. Very cool. Okay. Yeah, and don't forget to check out Tinnie's channel. I'll link it in the video description, of course. And okay, I should open it. And yeah, let's have a look inside actually. So, oh, I forgot the key, right? Nice. So if you want to still pick it, maybe look away now, because I'm going to show the bitting. Yeah, okay. Short key pins in 1, 3 and 4, long key pins in 2 and 5. Yeah, nice bitting. And yeah, I'm lucky that it's so easy to open because I'm not in picking state right now. Okay, I've just put in all the driver pins on top of the key pins in the core, just to show you how much you have to lift them and how effective that they are. Number 3 wants to get away. So there is no zero lifts, and we'll have a look at the core mods in a second. And yeah, all of them are very nice effective. And I will just get now out the key pins and then come back to you in a second. Okay, so yeah, welcome back from Fast Forward. We can have a look at the rest of the stuff. So this is a bird log, and the story is, I just read the letter, that this came from Roy Salmons, and it was so easy to pick that he sent it to Tinnie to make a challenge log out of it. And Tinnie did a great job, but still he thinks, and everybody I think thinks, that it's super easy to pick. I cannot really judge today because I really suck at picking at the moment. And yeah, Tinnie did a great job. He did core modifications so much. I mean, you saw the very deep fault set, and this is here caused by pin 4, and we'll have a look on that in a second. Let's have a look at the whole pin work, which is actually quite nice if you look on it. So each pin is heavily modified. We have, let's have a look at the drivers first, like a Christmas tree in chamber 1, then these, yeah, what would you call it, stamp-like spools or so in 2 and 3, and this needle-thin spool in chamber 4. It's made of steel, I think, because otherwise it wouldn't hold, and it is so thin at the top it can spring back easily if you yeah. And then in 5 another hourglass spool with serrations on the top, and then the key pins also. I mean, look at that, nice overset traps in chamber 2, nice serrations in 1, 3 and 5, and another nice overset trap in 4. So when you look at things, it's a really nice challenge log, and also with the pin effectiveness it should be great. So Tinnie, you did a great job, and I think it's, yeah, all you can do with that lock. I think maybe it's just sloppy tolerances or so. I have no idea. I have no idea why you have the feeling that it's so easy to pick. This is cast. Yeah, probably. I don't know really. Yeah. So long video, but we had a whole unboxing and a challenge lock, and yeah, great fun. Thanks for creating this, and I was sure to pass this on very soon. And Dependent Quarter, thanks for sending me all these challenge locks. And yeah, everybody who's still watching, thank you very much. Leave a like. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe. And yeah, hope to see you all in the next video again. Thanks again, DQ. Bye.